Hello, Oliver here to explain why our knives have such a great price point. For 47 years, Seattle Cutlery has lived in one world, the world of steel, balance, and the joy of a knife that simply feels right. And after decades of listening to cooks, testing blades, and refining what makes a knife truly great, I wanted to create something of my own, something honest, beautifully made, and that didn't require a luxury markup. So I designed Nakiyo. Nakiyo knives aren't licensed, they aren't white-labeled, they aren't mass-market blades with a fancy name. I designed them for Seattle Cutlery and produced them through long-standing relationships. Direct sourcing equals honest pricing. We work directly with steelmakers in Japan and Germany. No middlemen, no distributors, no retail padding, no hidden supply chain costs, just raw materials, expert craftsmanship, and a direct line from the maker to us to you.